Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. We have been asked this question quite a lot recently, so we thought that we should do a quick short video for you. The question asked is, what is section 354A of the Indian Penal Code, and is it different from the sexual harassment at workplace law that also got introduced in 2013? So let's look at answering this question. The sexual harassment definition, which is section 354A of IPC, is actually a criminal law provision. This got introduced by way of criminal amendments in 2013. The idea behind this is to criminalize sexual harassment anywhere with imprisonment and fine. Whereas the Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace Act, which also came into existence in 2013, is not a criminal law. It is to do with dealing with complaints of sexual harassment at a workplace, and that's a civil law. So if you look at section 354A of IPC, it's a criminal law, it's a criminal provision leading to jail term, whereas the Sexual Harassment Act does not do so. When it comes to the allegation or instance of sexual harassment, if a person is facing sexual harassment at a workplace, they are at liberty to file a complaint with the internal committee as per the Sexual Harassment Act 2013, or they also have the liberty to approach the court and file an FIR, which would be as per the provisions of Indian Penal Code. Sexual harassment as a criminal provision was added in the Indian Penal Code only in 2013. Before that, we did not have this provision. Before 2013, we only had something called as section 354, which was to assault or use criminal force to a woman to outrage her modesty. So that's all that we had. But post Nirbhaya, when the criminal amendments took place, quite a few provisions were added below section 354 itself, which were called as 354A, B, C, D, and they talked about sexual harassment, stalking, voyeurism, all of those things. So this particular 354A is basically one of those provisions that we are talking about. If we really have to look at the data as well, of how many complaints usually get filed under section 354A, in 2017, 20,948 complaints were filed. In 2018, 20,962 complaints were filed. And in 2019, 18,334 complaints were filed. So it right now goes on to show that this provision has come, quite in handy when it comes to instances of sexual harassment. And as I was mentioning, that while the sexual harassment at workplace law is restricted to workplace itself, this provision can be used by anyone facing any kind of sexually harassing behavior anywhere, which could be even public places, say public buses, parks, roads, streets. It could be anywhere. We hope we've been able to answer your question. Please feel free to drop comments below, and we'll be more than happy to try and respond to each one of those. You can also drop us your queries on our email ID, which has been provided below. In the description, we have also put the section 354A and what it really talks about. Look forward to seeing you in the next video shortly.